if you want to become fluent in a foreign language, you need massive amounts of input, massive amounts of reading and listening in order to learn all the vocabulary that you need to understand everything and be able to speak as well. You need to do other things as well, but there's no way around it. You need massive input. So I'm going to show you how you can build the right habits to get the input and you get a little bit better every single day. Yeah? You can learn all the grammar and all the necessary vocabulary by doing this instead of studying lists, studying grammar rules, and all that boring stuff. Basically, you need a planner. If you don't already have a planner for your work and your day and whatever, you should definitely get one. And you should identify time to sit down and do the work, do the reading, and the rest of the exercises as well. And also time you can use to listen to the language. This is very important. Listening to the language daily is a very low effort uh, exercise. Just have to put it on and have it on in the background while you do something else. But it very quickly adds up if you keep doing it. The thing is that people say that they will do it and then they don't do it. Instead, if you plan when you're going to do it, you will most likely do it. So let's say you do work. Let's say you go into work and you work, okay, 9 to 5. Yeah, let's just be, yeah. Now let's say you, and this is obviously it's Monday to Friday, but yeah. So let's say you go to work and back, and you work 9 to 5 and come back every day. Then this is listening time. You can go to Spotify, YouTube, Apple, whatever, and you can find podcasts about any topic in the language. Find out one that you like, even if you don't understand much at first. Find a topic that you like. Uh, Listen to the same podcast over and over again. Not the same episode over. Listen to the same episode like 2 3 times maybe at first if you don't understand everything or if you don't understand much. But um, listen to the same podcast with the same voices, like different episodes, but keep listening to it regularly. So you've got, let's say you drive 20 minutes to work. That's 40 minutes of listening you get in. That um, every week, every day for a few weeks. That's a lot of listening time. If you don't understand much, it's going to be just noise. But if you're also doing serious learning on your own, you learn enough vocabulary to start to understand a lot more of your what you're listening to, which in turn will help you understand even better. Because once you go get past a certain barrier of comprehension, that you know enough vocabulary to just kind of understand what they say. If you keep listening, you'll understand more and more. You just have to break the initial barrier. So yeah, you're at home. You let's say you uh, work out and go for a run. Some people like to just be super focused on the workout, but you can also be listening. Or if you do, you're making dinner. You you can be listening. Um, but yeah, let's say you here you do the exercises. You do the reading and all the other exercises from the course, like the scriptorium technique and the language islands and all that. But you don't need a whole hour. You could do half an hour of it or 20 minutes a day, as long as you do it every single day. But you should plan when you're going to do it. And you should do this every day until you get the habit of doing it every day. Plan your listening, plan your study time, and do it every single day. Should you also do it weekends? Why not? If you really want to improve, know this off. You can still find to listen to the language. 30 minutes of reading or whatever exercises you're doing You can still do it on a Saturday morning, Sunday morning, whatever. I just make some coffee and do the exercises. Maybe not the same. You don't have the same routine, but you can still uh, do them, right? Or if you don't do them. But if you do them 7 days a week, you'll improve faster than doing them 5 days a week. But still, doing this 5 days a week, you'll improve way faster than going to classes twice a week or just playing with some app or some stuff like that. So yeah, this is how you plan your language learning. You do this every day, and in a few weeks, you'll start to understand way more.